sivikela abantu bokufika ngoba abangekho emthethweni ngenxa yokuthi into eyenzakalayo la bonke laba bantu bacabanga ukuthi siyishare sithini labayidlalayo asiyona ishare asona umlabalabe asona isigugu so into ebalekile njengamanje njengoba sila sizogcina usikompilo lokuAfrika lelizwe ngelethu lelizwe nalama South African umfowethu uNdabandaba uke waphawula idaba olubalekile yokuthi ngisho umthetho osekelo walelizwe uyakwasekela ukuthi kube ngama South African mina ke nganza kwethu ngifuna ukucacisa nje ngokungahlonisi yokuthi kunomongameli enimbiza ngohlanya. He may look crazy, he may look disturbing the whole world, but the purpose and the way he have managed to protect his own country and his own people, the President Donald Trump, for me, I support him because he have managed to speak one word that every president of America existed never spoken. Say America agree. For me, I say South Africa must be for South African and South Africa must be agree again. Bakwazi ukuthi izwe lethu liphathwe yithini. Engishoyo ke njengomongameli wabhinqa hamba lempoto uphakela umthakathi nabahola abakhona ngapha unomfowethu lapha uManqinza kunomfowethu la ufele emntwini nomfowethu uDlamini sonke simele into eyodwa yokuthi sicela imbongolo elangaphakathi yamaSomalia amaSomalia asenzele into esingasiyibona kulelizwe where the Somalians have crowned their own king here in Gauteng. I was present and the police officers were there to intimidate us and to say that we must delete the videos that esiwashuthe lapha and yonke le nto leyo ayikho emthethweni afuna ukuphatha amafoni ethu ngezandla amaphoyisa kodwa siyayibonga ingalo mthetho ukuthi iyakwazi ukusihlonipha kuma circumstances since we have started marching yonke into peacefully yonke into neqiniso sithi ndoba sihleli kanje siphinde ithanga simangalela abaholi balelizwe kusukela emakhosini amadala sendulo kuze kuzoba namakhosi omzabalazo uyokuthi singabukeka njengeinsimango njengeyiphukuphuku kodwa ukuhlala kwethu kanje sizomangala sithi enough is enough njengamanje sicela ukuthi nani maphoyisa omthetho ngiyazi nisemsebenzini bafowethu kodwa nivumelana nathi ngenhliziyo basemsebenzini abantu abafemini ahlukahlukene bavumelana nathi ngenhliziyo thina sidele impilo yethu uyokuthi silolele lizwe ipolitiki ihlulekile omalema nosopolitiki abaye bahlulekile lokho nohulumeni uqobo naye wahlulekile imngcelethi ivuliwe iyavuza ukuthi iSomalia imgodoyi weSomalia lusebenzise iembling yaseningizimu Afrika okuyi-coat of arm yethu okuyiyona ngubo yethu yokuthandazela abafelana lizwe phinde thandazela abantu abalimele lelizwe nabalimele njengamanje. We can never tolerate that nonsense using the South African logo to crown your own king is prohibited in our own country. And if I look at you for what you have done in Sandton, it's disappointing. It's highly disappointing. Nina masomale ngenibonga seniphumile sidla ngithi mina njengamanje ngoba sila kwi-embassy you are allowed to be here in this country legally and also being an ambassadors but
akekho shutha uzoshutha wena you don't fight SAPS Slima
what is important is a straightforward message that your people that you are being grouping together say that you are representing your Somalians in South Africa. They are doing crime in all the cities of this country. All corners of Amalogishi, they are there. all corners of our cities. They are there. They are sleeping in their shop. They are bakhwela iy'ngane zethu nodadewethu. And poison food. Yonke into ihlangane ndawonye. I'm telling you straight right now. Can you please, before the 30th of June, can you all people Hambakaya? Hambakaya. Nonke. You are trying to prove yourself. You intimidated us and say that nina nizokwenza nizohlangana niqhumisa ngamabhomu usho nina enkulumeni nibhale phansi basitolekelile phela no AI usitolekelile nathi undabandaba la uyena omhlaka 30 uzoyibona ufana nobani. We got a death threat around ourselves. We don't care. His son have died in the dawn of democracy, but the liberation movement never allow us to continue to fight. We are not gonna tolerate the nonsense as the result of us, our death. But now we are here to tell you straight that we are sick and tired with the Somalians, with the Pakistanians, with Nigerians, and all illegal immigrants in this country. You have crowned your king in 17. I was there, present. I saw you. And then after that, you intimidated us. After that, and then you use even the symbol of revolutionary country, revolution country called South Africa, and you put our coat of arms in your local association. Then you are threatening South Africa that you are going to lead to be the mayor of this country and to be the president of this country. Why don't you do all your skill and calling us lazy? Why all your skill you have to do and domesticate in your own country? It's rubbish. We are here to respect the rule of law. If it was not according to the rule of law, we should have entered here and said to pants. As we are here, we want to make sure that you hear us. The memorandum is on our mouth. It's not on paper, because we have marched more than 10 times, more than 100 times, and producing memorandums. And what happens? Zero. And I would ask my brothers and sisters here to have a voice, because we are marching all over South Africa and we are not being heard. Our president is quiet. Only Panyaza is making sense to this country. Mind you, is in Gauteng, and action must be taken. And we don't want you. We hate you. We hate you now. You made us to hate you. We love our African brothers, but you made us to hate you. So can you now leave us in peace? Can you make sure, please? I appreciate if you can go.